What's up people, and welcome back to another challenge video. And take a wild guess what's happening here. Well, I don't have to explain this challenge. We have
the pani,
delicious pani over here. We have bowls and we have the puris, which are filled with
potatoes and chickpea.
Yeah, potatoes
the
and
masala,
chickpeas
basically.
So what's gonna happen is she has 25 in her plate and I have 25 in my plate, and
yes.
I'm taking her word. I hope she didn't put 30 in my plate.
No, I swear, I promise I did 25.
So we have 25 pani puris and it's plain and simple.
Yes.
Whoever finishes it first.
Yes.
So
no timer, nothing, but it's not that you can take 1 hour, but yeah, whoever finishes first. And for those of you who do not know what this is basically Pani Puri challenge. This is a very famous Indian street food that we love, and that's what we are going to do.
And it's fun to eat this because you have to put the whole thing in the mouth. And then you have barely got space to chew it
and eat it fast. So there are potatoes in there. It's very crispy, and you dip it in the water and you eat it. This is how you typically eat it.
Yeah.
And we are super excited.
Alright, so you guys ready?
Wait, hold on. Let me tie my hair.
Let's mix the pani because it keeps settling down. Some of my puris have, like, I can see some of them have like hole at the bottom, so all the pani is just gonna go
they were kind of broken, so I didn't want to waste it just because they have like small holes. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this closed. Pani is so delicious. It's spicy and tangy, I guess.
Yeah.
So
alright, I'm gonna. Okay. So wait. Alright, you guys ready for this?
Yay!
And before we start, pause the video here and comment with who you are gonna be. Who do you think is gonna win here, okay?
So my team is gonna be Elliot over here.
And my team is gonna be this cute chunky Everly over here.
So let's get started.
I think I can taste it now instead of swallowing it.
It's like he's not even chewing it.
Everybody is getting happy, I guess. There you go!
No!
We are gonna count by how much I defeated her. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She got only 15 puris. Even though I slowed down. Alright.
Oh my god. God, this
How
was
you feel?
good.
Anybody regretting now?
I'm gonna win next time for sure. Oh my god, but he was so fast. I felt like he didn't chew. Just put it in my. Then put it. Oh my god. I had to first swallow the water and then start chewing it.
Well, here's the thing. If you guys have done something like this before, let me know how many you can eat in a minute or whatever your stats were.
Yeah.
But I'm a clear winner.
We'll see next time with some other thing though. They're not with Pani Puri.
Maybe next. You guys tell us in the comments. What do you guys want to see us doing? What should we eat? Like something related to food. You know we love food.
Yeah.
So tell us what our next challenge should gonna look like. And I hope you guys had a little bit of fun and you were cheering and you were shouting and you were getting nervous about, oh, we picked Tony at the start, but Mayank is winning. So, Team Mayank, go guys. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.
मैं थोड़ा टेस्ट करके खा सकती हूँ। ये तुमने तो सोलह कर लिया लिटरली।
तो बोला था तुम आ जाओगी। वो बता रही थी कुछ भी टेस्ट नहीं किया मैंने। ठूस लिया मैंने। नहीं पेट भर गया भाई। पानी पानी हो गया।